In this lecture, we'll study about the data link protocols. Please download the notes from the link given in the description. Data link protocols are the protocols which are used by Datalink Layer. Before going to study the services provided by these data link protocols, let us see the main tasks of the data link layer. The first task is it transfers the data from the network layer of one machine to the network layer of another machine. That is, this is the service which the data link layer provides to the network layer. It converts a raw bit stream of the physical layer into group of bits called frames. See, this is how we can look at it. This is one node and this is another node. We are not concerned here about the other layers which are above this network layer. Remember that network layer is concerned with the data across the network. It may take several such hops, but the data link layer is just concerned with the single hop. This is how we simplify the thing. Now, let us see the services provided by the data link protocols. Data link protocols may provide the following services which I am going to explain you now. The first one is framing. Data is broken up into frames that are transmitted as independent units. If errors are detected in the frame, it is necessary to retransmit the entire frame. Next is session setup and termination. For reliable services, session control messages are used by end systems to exchange status information about the session. Third is error detection. It determines whether a frame has been delivered accurately or not. A checksum is calculated on a frame by the sender and the receiver must perform the same calculation and come up with the same checksum. If not, the frame is considered as corrupted. And if reliable services are being used, the frame is retransmitted. If not, that is for non-reliable services, the frame is dropped and the upper layer protocols are relied on to handle the problem. The next one is addressing on a multi-point medium such as LAN. We know a computer's address is usually the hardwired address of the NIC, that is Network Interface Card. Flow control. A technique that prevents the sender from sending more, overflowing the receivers with more data that it can handle. We have some common data link protocols, namely asynchronous protocols, synchronous protocols, character-oriented protocols, bit-oriented protocols, etc. We will study about these in the coming lectures one by one.